Good afternoon, all. I'm Heather Ann Hubble, the founder of Fundex. Something that is important to us is helping you manage processes and transactions in a completely new way. If, like you and us, you've done many transactions with lots of people across the world, wouldn't it be better to find a way to do that in a more streamlined way? And that's what we do. Our mission is to make that end-to-end process or transaction management efficient and get you to market faster for all of your stakeholders. Eventually, we'd like to be the go-to platform to manage anything across the investment life cycle. So how do we do that? Well, we'll put it all together. We'll have a single place to go. It'll be simple, right? Possibly not so much. We've got death by 1,000 emails, death by 1,000 documents. We've got a plethora of tools. We've got many places where we store documents and where we deal with them and we trade them. How many times have you done a transaction, somebody says, that document, you sent it to me 2 weeks ago. I'll see if I can find it. That's inefficient, and that takes us longer to get to market. It also reduces our controls, which means it increases our operational risk. So, what can Fundex do? Centralized place where your documents can be held, where people can access them, where your processes are managed, your transactions are dealt with. You can even send documents out for e-signatures to get you out to market faster. How do we do it? We've got some dashboards so that all the way along you can see where you are. You've got an ability to invite people in so that you can create a team that's internal and external. We've got full cybersecurity, 24/7 monitoring, of course. And we've got pathways which give you a sense of where can I start, but can be fully customized. But why don't I show you what Fundex looks like?
Welcome to Fundex, our centralized collaboration hub to manage processes and transactions across the investment lifecycle. When you log into the platform, your home dashboard immediately shows you any overdue tasks, what pathways they relate to, and what the last 3 pathways that you've worked on are. A pathway is a Fundex term for a process or transaction that is managed on the platform. Each pathway is divided into stage, and each stage includes a series of tasks, all highly configurable. At each step of the way, you're greeted with a dashboard that shows you real-time status reports and highlights any overdue tasks. Users are granted specific permissions to pathways, tasks, and documents. And document and data permissions, version control, and a full audit trail come as standard. Come join us at Fundex.
Picture's worth 1,000 words. So you've seen some features. We've got pathways, we've got workflow configurable. What are the benefits? You can close out your processes faster, you can close out your transactions faster. You've got good governance and process management, and you've got full audit functionality all along the way. How do you use it? We've given you some examples. A wealth and asset manager says, look, I get the AML KYC bit working, but internally I've got to deal with opening and closing the account and managing the risk. I can get those clients back in and I can do the risk assessment on them much faster, which means I can get them to funding faster. An SME says, I need to get that documentation in place so I can close the deal. They can get to market faster. A university incubator decides they want to manage a bunch of startups. They let them log everything in. It gives full transparency and management. Pathways. There's no magic. We've gone through and come up with some processes and transactions that we think will make life easier for you. All fully customizable. Don't see one you want? Let us know. You can see we create new ones regularly. How can we make this work for us? Family office tells us they close new opportunities in their portfolio 50% faster than usual because it's all in the platform. A trust company service provider has estimated 40% reduction in the amount of time they spend managing their overseas operations and reduced operational error. And a wealth management company figures that their onboarding internal processes are reduced by 30%. So why now? And why Fundex? Interoperability is killing us all. We need to make sure that our systems, teams, and processes all align fully with the data. We need transparent governance. We need built-in audit control, all available on the Fundex platform. We've got lots happening. So come find out what else we're doing. Want to do more? Book a demo or a trial today. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Heather Ann.